Logging into another account without a password is possible through various methods, but here is how you can do it. So let's get started. Firstly, launch the Instagram app on your device. Now, on the login process, all you have to do is type down the login email address or username of the account you want to log in without using the password. Then simply tap on the forgot password option available there. Now again, tap on the username of the account or number or email address you have associated with. Now wait for a few minutes till Instagram finds your account. Then once Instagram finds your account, it will be displayed on your screen. Now tap on the continue option available there. Now what happens is this Instagram will send you the verification code on your mobile device or email address. Now simply go to the email address or text message and write down the code you have been provided of, and you can reset your password very easily, or you can log in without using the password. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.